Honeymoon, yes. Now that is where they're going to take a lot of aphrodisiac oils, as well as a few oils that I recommend that is going to help their stress factor, help them to, if they have any morning sickness, not morning sickness, car sickness or jet lag, whatever it is. So let's start off with the beginning first. So if they're traveling and going by car and they, don't feel too good and they feel tired, just peppermint is something they need to have. Put it on a tissue and just smell it. Another wonderful way to really pep you up and get you going is a drop of peppermint in a mug of water and just pour that over you, or just smell it if you want. That's again going to pep you up and make you feel good. In fact, that's very good for jet lag, and it's also when you're traveling. Now, to pep you during the day, you're very tired, because I'm sure you all are going to do a lot of sightseeing also and other things and going to new places. Use rosemary in your bath water, or use rosemary after a shower. Put it on a wet towel and then just wipe yourself down with that after your shower, and then wipe yourself dry. That is the other one. The other oils I recommend is vanilla. Now vanilla is a wonderful oil to carry with you because it gives you that warm, loving, cozy kind of a feeling. So vanilla is something you must take. Sandalwood is to ground you, make you feel very good, and it also is a very uplifting oil. It really uplifts and makes you, feel that wow, everything is beautiful and wonderful. And not to forget my two favorite aphrodisiac oils, Lang Lang and Jasmine. Carry these oils with you and you're going to have a wonderful, wonderful honeymoon. And last but not least, I must tell you all that if you don't have a memory of the oil that you don't like it, and any of these oils, the smells you don't like, don't take it, don't use it. You will find that is not going to help you at all. And one more oil I would like to suggest, and that is lavender, because I think you all have to relax and have a good sleep in the night, at whichever time you sleep, and that is a very important, wonderful oil to relax. And you do need to relax to really make your world into a beautiful world.